Today I have a very fun video for you guys because I'll be showing you how I make my Nigerian jollof rice in the oven. So this video is for my friends that already know how to make jollof rice, but you want to switch it up a bit or learn something new. Also for my friends that you're struggling a little bit, it just never comes out right, because trust me, with this method it will come out right all the time, and it's so straightforward that I cannot wait to show it to you guys. If you want to know more, just stick around while I show you my tricks.
Come up to your door, you know, say I want some more. Let me in and I'll be yours. Hey, don't leave me outside. Come up to your door, you know, say I want some more. Let me in and I'll be yours.
So today I'm gonna be making 4 cups of rice, and I'm gonna be blending my pepper mix. Really, for 4 cups of rice, I just kind of come up with my formula that works for me all the time, which is like 4 bell peppers, 3 tomatoes, 3 onions, and habanero pepper. Now, depending on your spice level, you might want to up it up a bit or reduce it. So when I blend my pepper, I just don't use the seed of the bell pepper or the tatase. And it's okay if you have to add water to your blender, really, because we're gonna use the water for something later. So what I do next is I sieve out the water from the pepper, because I'm gonna boil the pepper. And guys, my blender is leaking. It's so annoying. Sieved out all the water from my pepper, at least most of it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and boil it in my pot. This one pot is my only big pot in my kitchen, and it's crazy because every time I want to buy, something tells me not to buy it. Because we're getting married in December and we have like all these things on our registry, and I just know that that's what all the mommies like to buy for you, is they want to buy you kitchen stuff. So I feel it would be a waste of money if I buy myself, but gosh, every time I have to cook and I see that I only have one pot, I want to run to the store and buy more, but I'll wait it out. I'll wait it out a bit. Alright guys, so because I have one pot, I'm gonna be cooking my pre-cooking my rice in my rice cooker. You just want to cook it to pretty much the texture that you will consider to be perfect. So I'm gonna let my rice pre-cook. Again, if I had chicken stock also, I probably will have used some of the chicken stock and also the pepper mix to pre-cook the rice. Alright guys, let me introduce you to all the ingredients that I'm going to be using today. Today I'm going to be using like my Maggi, my thyme, my curry, I'm going to use bay leaf, white pepper, crayfish, and a little nutmeg. Again, if you don't have some of these ingredients, it's not really a big deal. The major thing that I would say really is you have to make sure you have some Maggi or something that has a lot of flavor, because I do have one of my friends that tries to make jollof rice herself, and she used adobo to make it. No, it's not going to come out right. You cannot use that. You have to use something with a lot of flavor in it. So if it's not Maggi, no, or anything similar like that. So my pepper has been boiling for a while. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add some tomato paste. I'm gonna add about like 3 tablespoons. The tomato paste is really what makes your jollof rice red. So at this point, I'm gonna go preheat my oven, and I'm gonna set it to 400. So now my pepper has boiled and cooked properly. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add some oil. I'm just gonna add some oil into it. Use enough oil, because what you can do is you can always take the oil out later. I'm gonna add a little bit of the onions, because remember I blended this with a lot of onions. So at this point, I'm gonna add in some of my spice, everything besides really just the Maggi. So I don't really measure, I just kind of like put what makes sense to me. Put in everything except for the Maggi and the bay leaf. Let this just kind of like cook together for a little bit, and then I kind of like put it aside. Sometimes I might make a lot of this pepper and just put it in the freezer, because then if I want to make jollof rice, all I have to do is really everything else but this part. So guys, this is the last part before everything goes into the oven. Remember, I put the pepper to the side, so now I'm gonna bring it all together, and this is what makes the magic happen, guys. Just keep watching. So I need you guys to do something really quickly. I want you guys to hit the subscribe button below and subscribe to our channel. If there's something that you're still waiting to see before you subscribe, I want you to write it in the comment section. Honestly guys, I want to hear your thoughts. I want to know what's on your mind. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button. I have my pre-cooked rice that's not soft. It's just the perfect texture that I want. I have my pepper that I boiled and kind of fried, and also my pan that I already sprayed down. This is where the magic happens, because I'm just gonna mix it all together using my Maggi. So my formula for my Maggi is like, for every cup of rice that I planned, that I cooked, I will use like 1 tablespoon of Maggi, and that's my base. If I need more later, I will adjust it, but that's like my safe zone. So I really love this method because you see the potential of your jollof rice even before it's done, and you can fix things. Like for example, if the color is not right, I can maybe add a little bit more tomato paste, not too much, because the oven again is going to bring it all together. I'm going to leave it in the oven for like a good amount of time until I feel like it's all come together. So that's it. I'm just going to check on it from time to time. Look, that is good. If I feel like I need some more spice at this point, I'll add a little bit. But really, if you just follow the like 1 tablespoon per cup, for the most part you should be good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let this cook together again for a little bit more. So I brought the rice out of the oven. I let it cook for a while in the oven and just kind of like bring all the taste together, and it is perfect. It's the exact color that I want. It's the perfect taste that I want, and all of that. So I'm just gonna take out the bay leaf that I have in there, and that's it, guys. Again, remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next video.